Okay, so today I'm going to be presenting conspiracy theories. First one up, we have Dasani water. So the conspiracy theory is that Dasani water actually makes you more thirsty because it contains salt. I have a source there, which is a YouTube video I found. And this theory is because it is very acidic. A fun fact is that Dasani water is illegal in the UK because of the chemical compound and bromate, and it causes cancer risks. Next, you've probably heard of Bigfoot. The first sighting was 16 years ago. There's been multiple sightings in the West. The FBI has released a 22-page Bigfoot file and has found a hair and fur that has not been identifiable as a known creature of the continent. Next up, we have that there's a conspiracy theory that there's a volcano under Yellowstone. The theory is that it erupted 70,000 years ago. It is 2.5 times bigger than researchers thought. People believe the government is working on an evacuation plan currently. Next, we have the Champion clothing brand. So it used to be sold at Walmart and Costco for very cheap. But now it's being sold for a lot more. You've probably heard of this one, Apple, and how they are listening to us. For example, Siri and live photos. Next up, we have hidden cameras in Airbnbs and hotels. It's a conspiracy theory that they are hidden everywhere, and you just have to look for it. The end. Thank you.